Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy WLFi on KuCoin using an easy method. First, you will need to set up your KuCoin account. Begin by registering with your email or phone number, then complete the identity verification process. This step is crucial for increasing your transaction limits and ensuring compliance. Don't forget to activate two-factor authentication for robust security. A secure account is your first line of defense in the crypto world, protecting your assets from unauthorized access. Once your account is secure, the next step is to fund it. You can deposit existing cryptocurrencies, such as USD or Bitcoin, directly into your KuCoin wallet. Simply find the correct deposit address for your chosen asset. Another convenient option is to purchase crypto using fiat currency through various payment methods available on KuCoin. Always double-check the network to avoid any loss of funds. This process typically takes just a few moments to reflect in your balance. Now for the main event, buying WLFi. Head over to the spot trading section and search for the WLFi trading pair, most commonly WLFi versus USD. You have the option to place a limit order, specifying your desired purchase price, or a market order for an immediate execution at the current best price. Enter the quantity of WLFi you want to buy, review all the details carefully, and then confirm your order. Your new WLFi tokens will appear in your spot wallet almost instantly. After successfully purchasing WLFi, securing your assets is paramount. For long-term holding, consider moving your WLFi to a hardware wallet, which offers superior protection against online threats. Always be vigilant and monitor your account for any unusual activity. Remember, your private keys and two-factor authentication codes are for your eyes only. Staying informed about the latest security measures will help keep your investment safe. KuCoin provides flexible withdrawal options should you choose to move your assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.